In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix inactive Shopify store. If your Shopify store is showing as inactive because customer account access is not set up correctly, this is a simple setting adjustment you can make from your admin. I will walk you through it clearly so you can update the account settings and make sure the login option is available in your storefront. Start by going to Settings in your Shopify admin. From there, open Customer Accounts. This section controls how customers sign in, create accounts, and access their information on your store. If these settings are not configured properly, it can affect the customer login experience and may be part of the reason your store appears inactive in this area. Once you are inside Customer Accounts, look for the section called Accounts in Online Store and Checkout. In that section, click Edit. This will let you change how customer accounts are displayed and managed across your storefront and checkout. Now check the box for Show Login Link. This is important because it makes the customer login option visible on your online store. If this setting is off, customers may not see a way to access their accounts, which can create confusion and make the account system seem inactive. After that, select New Customer Accounts. This setting enables Shopify's newer account experience, which is generally the recommended option if you want a more current and streamlined login setup. Once you have done that, click Save. It is always a good idea to save each important change as you go, so nothing is lost if you move between sections. Next, stay on the same page and find the Login with or Social Login section. This area is where you can allow customers to sign in using external providers instead of creating a separate manual login. In that section, find Google and toggle the switch to the on position. Turning this on allows customers to sign in more easily using their Google account, which can improve access and help activate the login experience properly. After enabling Google, click Save one more time. This final save makes sure your changes are applied to the store. Once these settings are updated, your customer login setup should be active and visible, which can help resolve the inactive Shopify store issue related to account access. If needed, refresh your storefront and confirm that the login link now appears as expected. That covers everything you need to know.